Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to share with you the sanding down of the back of these beautiful pieces. Now these beautiful pieces are shower curtain hooks, and when I first bought them at the thrift store I shared them with you, but I wanted to sand them down because some of them are not smooth in the back after having twisted the hook off. So for a lot of these, I twisted the hook off and I want to sand them down. You see what I'm saying? This one has the glue there. The glue is raised on this one. You see what I'm saying? So I want to sand that down, make them smoother so that they won't wobble when I use them on top of something. Now I wanted to show you something else. Look at this little box. It's a little jewelry box without the lid, and it happens to have the same type of flowers and colors. Look at that. This is just perfect. So you will be seeing this in a future creation. I'm going to use it. You see how that's a perfect example. Look at that. You see how wobbly it is? That's because of that glue. That is what I want to sand down. Now I have one here that is fine. I want to show you the difference. Let's see. See, they all need sanding. Okay, so this one, the glue is flat. Look at the difference between this one wobbling and this one. You see what I'm saying? This one doesn't wobble, and this one does. So that is the difference. That's why I want to sand them down. But look at how perfect this looks on top of this piece. So you will see this again in one of my creations. Now I have this other piece. This is another shower curtain hook, but there was only one, and it was in the same bag in which those came in. But this one, I'm not going to unscrew yet. I might eventually, because I could use this as a wall decor piece. I'm picturing it on the top over the toilet tank in a bathroom. You know what I'm saying? As wall decor. So I have to think about it. So for now, let's see if this works. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I'm going to try it. I bought this at the Dollar Tree, and it's a sanding sponge. This is the sponge. So this is what I'm going to use to try to get rid of this. So let's try it now. Let's see. I want you to see this. Wow, this is really tough. Look at that. I have this tweezer here, but I don't know if this is gonna work. I tell you, this glue must be really, really good. But remember, they use these for shower curtain hooks. They don't want the humidity or anything like that to, you know, for them to fall apart. You know, they're holding a curtain, right, in the bathroom. So this glue has to be real tough. So yeah, look at that. Doesn't even come out like that. I might have to try a screwdriver or something else, but this sponge, which is really heavy duty, didn't even work for that. Let me try another one to see. This one's pretty flat. See, this one feels smooth already. So it worked on this one, but this one for some reason, because it's raised, you see what I'm saying? That one is tougher. This one has a little piece there, but let's see if it wobbles. Yep, you see what I'm saying? Look at how this one wobbles too. still. See what I'm saying? So yeah, I guess this did not do the job. That glue is too tough. Even this sponge is not doing it. But I will find a way. I will find something else. Now look at this butterfly here. This is another shower curtain hook. But this is a shower curtain hook, part of a set that I have for my own shower curtain. So this one I'm not going to touch. I'm not going to repurpose this or nothing like that. Now let me show you the rest of these. They are right over there. Look at those. See the butterflies? That is the rest of the set for this one. So they use a lot of pretty items like these for shower curtain hooks. So anytime that you have shower curtain hooks that are not complete, maybe you don't have all 12, so you don't use them, you can always unscrew them from the back. They're probably going to be easy to sand down depending on what glue was used. And you can use them in different ways, repurpose them somehow. But this definitely is perfect for a dollhouse. Look at that. Alrighty, well I think that this is it. The sanding did fail, but at least we learned that this type of glue is very, very tough, and we're going to have to get a different instrument, a different tool to get that out. Alrighty, well I think that this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.